guys, one question that I am being asked all the time is, where do I buy my epoxy molds? Well, I buy them from Crafted Elements, and this is one that I'm working on right now. So in this video, I will be demolding this board. Look how pretty it is. The epoxy has some beautiful bloom. And this board is not ready to be sanded yet, but I will be demolding it, and then I'll lay it down on a flat surface for another few days before I sand it and finish it. But I need to demold it because I want to put another one, so I need the mold. Like I said, this one is from Crafted Elements. This is an 18 by 12 by 2. So it's a really big one. It's really heavy. It took a lot of epoxy, but it makes a really big, nice board that you can display lots of Christmas cookies, charcuteries, and so on. So I think it's a really good size. So let's demold this. The first thing I like to do is to release the edges. You hear that? And because I sprayed it with mold release, it makes it really easy. All right. And then I'll pop this sucker out. You hear that? Super cool. I do have some epoxy licked on the bottom of it, and I'll be sanding that down too. But super, super cool. Look at the colors. This is like diving in a reef in the ocean. I think it's gonna be a really nice one. Now these molds are super thick, really nice quality, and if you take good care of them, they will last you for a really, really long time. I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.